excited?
Yeah. First day of school. My first day in first grade.
Very excited.
We all stick to the desk at school.
You going to preschool? Hooray! Look! You excited? Huh? You excited, anak?
Yes.
Hooray! Uy,
Hello. I got the big too.
good wings. Excited si Prince ba? Kiss mommy, Brace. Bye-bye. See you later, ate, ha? Okay. Gonna back ko. Where are you going? We're going to school. Okay. Cut, mommy.